Hi everyone, Tristan here from Machine Control Australia. Welcome to another MCA tutorial on Making 3D, highlighting the importance of infield design. Alright, now we're on the dig screen. Working outside the initial 3D model is often necessary. With Making 3D, this can be done by extending the grade of the edge of the surface. Alright, so now we're going to drive over to the edge of the model. Okay, now we're over the edge. We can see that the vertical and horizontal references go back to the edge of the project. If you want to extend the surface to follow its grade, what we do is we come down here to the Rubik's Cube, the main menu. We then come up to Project. We then come down to Extend Surface and hit the toggle. Close our menu. We can now see that our horizontal and vertical references now follow the graded line off the project. If I then trend the machine forward or back here, we'll see it just extends and follows the map. If you need a different angle, you can do this by creating an infield design off the edge of the polyline, whether it's straight or curved. Selecting the edge of the polyline and create a profile for any angle of fall is not just possible, it's simple. So if we come down here to our line of the edge of our project, we come down to the bottom here, we can then hit the plus, we then select surface, which is the bottom one, we then have a plus on the left and the right to the screen here. Alright, that's going to build to the left or build to the right of your line. We come down here, we can now add an angle in percent together with the width or height, or just put the rise over run. So if we come here, we're going to select this, we're going to put in 15 meters. Okay, then we come down, press OK at the bottom. We're then going to come down to angle. And we're going to pick a, let's say, 5% angle. Now, you need to press the plus or the minus to give it a negative or positive angle. So, negative 5%, we'll come down, okay. Alright, okay again. And so now you can see that we've got our infield design there, but you can see our reference height for our vertical and horizontal is still following off the edge. So what we need to do is come down to our surface that we've created and turn on the vertical reference. Alright, and now we can see our horizontal and graded line there. We can move the machine back a little bit, or forward a little bit. We can see our line. Nothing slows you down on site like poor water management. When rain's on the horizon, use infield design to direct water runoff exactly where you want. That way, you avoid ending up with a mess like what's behind me. Site cuts and projects are a breeze with infield design. Nathan Wood from D2D Excavations shows how it's done in his video, linked in bio. Next, we'll have a testimonial and some footage from his videos.
Since installing the Making 3D GPS system on my Cabelco 25-ton zero swing, I've found my capacity to become more accurate and more confident with what I'm doing exponential. The ability for me to know through any attachment that we have for this machine where the attachment sits on the surface which we're trying to create is priceless. The occurrence of errors has pretty much diminished to zero, which then in turn has created a far quicker turnaround from start of project to end, which creates that efficiency and accuracy that all our clients are after. Personally, we're running primarily infield design, so as I've created in a couple of my videos, the interface use for that is super straightforward and easy to grasp, and I highly encourage anyone out there that is owner-operator and considering this move to definitely take a look at it, because I think long term it's just going to become more and more in demand. So it's from me, Nathan Wood from D2D.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video gives you a better understanding of the importance of infield design. Please like and subscribe to see future MCA tutorials, and don't forget, pop over to D2D Excavations and check his video on infield design.